Hey guys, welcome to our channel Codelivly. I'm Rocky and today in this video, I'll show you how to install Kali Linux on your PC. If you are serious about cybersecurity, make sure to join our Telegram channel for free resources and discussion. And don't forget to visit our website for more tutorials, tools and cybersecurity guides. You can find all the links in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. Before we start, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. Before we dive into installing Kali Linux, we need a virtual machine to run it smoothly. And for that, we will be using VirtualBox as it is free and beginner friendly. You can download VirtualBox from their official website as shown in the video. Now that we have VirtualBox installed, it's time to set up Kali Linux. First, head over to the official website and download the installer image. Make sure to select the 64-bit version for the best performance. Now that we have downloaded Kali Linux and VirtualBox, now it's time to get started. First, open VirtualBox and click on New to create a new virtual machine. Name it Kali Linux and next, choose the ISO file you have downloaded and check the other setting as shown in the video. Once everything is set, click Finish to complete the setup. Now click Start and your virtual machine will boot up. On the first screen, choose Graphical Install and hit Enter. It will take few seconds to process. After that, you can select your desired language, country and keyboard configuration and the setup process will begin. This process will take some time, so while you wait, feel free to explore our website for free cybersecurity resources. Once the configuration starts, enter your desired hostname. You can name it anything you like. For the domain name, leave it blank, unless you have a specific one. Then set up your full name, username and password. This will be your login details for Kali Linux, so make sure to remember them. After that, configure the clock setting and proceed. For disk partition, choose Guided Use Entire Disk and then select all files in one partition as shown in the video and hit Continue. You will see an overview of disk partition, so scroll down and select Finish and hit Continue again. It will then ask you if you want to apply the changes. Select Yes and hit Continue to proceed. This process will take some time, so while you wait, check out our book Linux Playbook for Hacker, where we have covered all the fundamentals you need to know. Find the link in the description below. Once the installation is complete, it will ask you to install the bootloader. Select Yes and hit Continue. Choose the appropriate device as shown in the video, then hit the Continue again. Finally, the setup will prompt you for a reboot. Hit Continue and Kali Linux will start automatically. Keep learning, keep exploring. If you find this guide helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to join our Telegram for free resources. This is Rocky signing off. See you in the next one.